All right. Good afternoon, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbed. And 30th, December, the last month of the year 2024. Na osanshe nkomonuma na chese aka eda baako na the year 2024 ede abewie ye. Enye nyanse enye enim de obo ade na daroma ene we kura ya hwe so a ede akọ ede aba ama bibia akodin ede ama he nti ehia se ya na aseda ena yede menyankopon na moso a momfa ye channel india gron ya damase na yakoswa kase comment no ya fabra under the comment section na share channel no efa mo obi wo na obi so a wonya hu channel no ono so hu channel no. We are preparing for a video. One of our colleagues based in Sompa FM and Chebe joining me with studios. Now, you didn't a video on Ghana football, foreign football, everything. You be a lot of discussions on foreign and also on local. So, channel near Sports in Tree, Emba Porcupine Stand. Porcupine Stand is a Kotoko. So the Kotoko related side of the conversation at the Babaha. But I'll search it Sports in Chia. Sports SPORTS in Chi IN. Now the Chi TWI asoso. But I could pay channel to Sports in Chi, a channel under the Selbed network dedicated for foreign football and foreign sports in total. Na so TV football na local. Na Porcupine Stand na Kotoko no edi amamo nti yede Porcupine Stand no which is ma about time no and yede promote to other channels. So that interview is coming on now. Me a post on Facebook concerning the interview and quickly me asem we can me share down funny serious. I want to read the exact person that commented on it. I have to go back. One comment by which had to do with Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria. Yes, someone was asking on Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria. I want to read the exact comment. Nanipano or Shawa who said, and the comment or the buy and I'm pass Obed Makinkai Eddie Amano. Oh, Adia for many sisters. Don't worry. Let me just move on. If I get it, I'll try as much as possible to read it. So he was asking a question, said, what is the news around Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria? Because I think I'm sorry and pay. I've seen a lot on Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria to Kotoko, Salifu to Kotoko, Salifu to Kotoko. So I just want us to and yes, I just will make us say I just want us to the say ye be discussions where the mianka some story no etimiako ene eye mpenifu esafata wo mo kebie wom concerning the issue. Well, and a birthday of Stephen Boadi. He's the media officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Very hard-working guy. Personally, I worked with him. I am passionate about his job. Steve, happy birthday. I have to give you a call. And also, on the BBI, most of the things around Kotoko Media, he's the one doing it. Now, and that's sorry, and who said, National Under 20 call-up, Paba. National Under 20 call-up. Said the Under 20 team our list of matches summable. Now, 35 players. Now your interest baby Asante Kotoko. Players and how many Kotoko players in call up to the senior to the national team. There's the Under 20. Well, officially a mrantium, you know, one Peter Aminu Aqua, Peter Aminu Aqua, or a ringer Edema Asante Kotoko, both right and left wings. Normally he loves the left wings. Now we're using the favorite foot, which is the left, which is the right. Not they are cutting in. And most of the damage. With me about right, so okay, last season. Kotoko has match, you know. Apinkra Medeama, he was operating from the right. Until right and left, Peter. etimi bɔ Kotoko fan from Park Academy ɛna Division 1 Kotoko de ne ba ya he say oh yeah adwuma ne kama ɛna ma Asante Kotoko wanya call up to the under 20 Kaisa under 20 no can say you never come say why is he not part of the final squad where they are friend a 35-man squad and we are hoping that their team now only being kosibiem na eventually needing ebebem. Well, another player in the Asante Kotoko setup on sunya call up Solomon Kwekusai Kante Basabasa and on it na hotedin I'm potem ha baby ad ye fa the amount for bona was just why Kante Basabasa or a defensive midfielder, but surprisingly in the call up omotro center back na mimi huye. That is a bit surprised kaka because I'm just say any defensive midfielder Akko anima should be central midfield. But me who center back ewo ha na ha adwen kakra. But I'm just hoping say a call up is a call up. I mean how it to go no ayana and sheda ha. You don't forget say the princesses so recently almost call up about say national teams no call ups no. Yeah, bad. So let's wish these two players all the best. Ewo tumedie no so na omukwa omuntimi nkonkoti Asante Kotoko enim. Well, you and I know say at this moment players tono akwa kujina youth team. Players tono akwa kujina youth team. Recently one say wenya Barcelona ebe piemu Ghana no mafa Abdulaziz of Dreams FC no masafa David Odro of Club Efena Accra Lions. Now so don't forget say Celta Vigo. Also be fast and take a branch of Bernard someone also edine koye because clearly that's the new direction. Omo yin low and omo penkwala no omo 8 no form. Now omo timi no omo grache. Now by the time we be 22 23 no one kasa afrane no abroche team na rano a polishing the talent no send here 23 24 no about a key player no etimi areche ni full potential na wetimi aye adwuma no e dia moment here normally omo mpempani for ntin kwala no honest kind of. So it's our prayer that these boys can get the job done now eventually ometimi aye adwuma no e dia ma Asante Kotoko. Well, there are a lot of stories Isaac Mintad here or honey adia, but like I said here pentem to a video for based on an interview. Tienya Salifu Ibrahim dieno quick. Well, it is a known fact. There may be kebiano tieni here. The dao, memo dates, memo explanations, memo specifics. Video him. The dao, we are one main. You don't need anything more on Salifu Ibrahim. Good. Last season. This season, summer. Many chairman solo tenase wahase this side of the studio. And I'm the chairman Dean Komo concerning the ambitions for Asante Kotoko. Chairman solo kasisu duase one. On this Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria manager. Ayo penye fene Benedict Esiedu Pini Zahavi. And then in Tehudin, Oko Techima and Importemua, Wajidi Pa, Pini Zahavi, Benedict Esiedu. On any fine or me and Mianon Precope. And to some extent, opinion of an Esiedu consortium or the managing players. On no chairman, so now so me and Yentino, one di boom num boom. Into the Mranti and no chairman solo new situation. Na Salifu Ibrahim contact ebe wu has ne wua. Onina or no car consortium no bet tries or bet channel Edna Bass and Asante. Asamani deja Ebra Richmond Lamte, Enoch Morrison, Eric Zeze, Shadrach Adumun Asante Kotoko. Next, I class a Kotoko creative midfield. And I'm midfielder. Emwana Miami Betina Catros, boy Nenya Dill from Kosovo. Randy Ovoka, formerly of Heart to Folk. I recommend Salifu Ibrahim to any club or Kosovo. Say Ghana League na no bono. Na player be more creative midfielder there. Don't go there. What Bonnie Bruta into a Mumbefano. Me twice the amount of money which was 2,000 euros. And on the fast Salifu Ibrahim Koi. Asante Kotoko IMC chairman Nana Apinkra Medeama chairman solo. Omusia Salifu Ibrahim and then the manager. Our dancer man during the summer. Na sikasem no Emma chairman solo adia ba kwa na manfo use against Salifu Ibrahim was pressure no because now some members of the Kotoko technical team akwa could din komo ewo eye asem no nya abotro beti ase akodi nkomo house mom si pressure no so chairman solo agreed say obey MRI obetia na boy no resource na beba no if the club is okay ana dia ka ato aso and tentam ena di maria e call Kosovo first thing first Salifu Ibrahim aba back to Ghana sinya abotre waba back to Ghana on Friday. Asante Kotoko match omo ball against Bebiani Gold Stars. Na Salifu Ibrahim e wo stadium. Chain na abotre ti story ni nyina ewie. Friday na Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria wo stadium. Na ote chairman solo nchen inti na asem no because 30 free echiri. Se ne obeti ase because esi aka mechanic stay so not chairman solo nchen a. Obeka say obed na abotre inti na me chire the relationship between the player, his management, and chairman solo. Into your bell kumase no. Na Salifu Ibrahim, Benedict Esiedu Pini Zahavi, and a chairman solo no munyina te baby fako. Ebra Kotoko boy against Gold Stars. Because the consortium na Salifu Ibrahim, omu managing no. Omu player Gold Stars team no. To omu nyina abehwe no. So weekend na Salifu Ibrahim abofo Messi no okruma. Eho ena manfo bi hu ye no. Almost started draw conclusion. Say boy no ba Kotoko. But the woman nie. What you say? We all know that Kotoko is on the market for a creative midfielder, a left-footed winger / creative midfielder to me, but as a supporting striker, a open secret. Unim obi anim. And no crack on a man. Opinion former Kotoko player back. Was approach said to say, but later penny for Bogui. Nana Apinkra Medeama Salifu Ibrahim Chiano. It was stadium. Ko for soon side them say any afa. Now TSA Obed, we are main. Salifu Ibrahim Ghana ban or buy and he's not coming to play for Asante Kotoko. We menka if and I menka 90% and I menka 60%. There is no chance. He is not coming to Asante Kotoko. Take it from me. In the around 12 o'clock, now Salifu Ibrahim on the manager. Ya bon pa se sabre nya Medeama koduru. No mo take care mo ko techiman. Na ne manager no ene Salifu okrom ha almost weekend nyina. But chairman solo nama no ne omonam no eye relationship on player ne wodada. Enya se player no ba Kotoko. So the news says Salifu Ibrahim back to Kotoko no enya no kre. And our back Kotoko no enya no kre. No Asante Kotoko management member and any Salifu Ibrahim akasa. One. No management member. Over here Kotoko ball. Now I've gotten to the extent of seeing his return ticket and I'm a confidence I'm a story with. Salifu Ibrahim ne return ticket to Turkey. Sabram no kase Randy Ovoka US. Omuko break no US. And a Salifu Abagana. So the team no ebe regroupi Turkey on 3rd of January. Inti Salifu abofone techima hono okono. Obesa be twema back to Accra. Atwaso akọ Turkey on the 3rd of January. Inti emphatically ahodi mu me de ka kire wo say Salifu is not coming to Asante Kotoko. There is no deal, there is no arrangement, there is no agreement on Salifu Ibrahim to Asante Kotoko. Saa sensem na ba ye no nukure bia nim. Eye rumor keke and amanfo ka yes. Minim se on the day chitafo ni bi ehun Salifu no etwa so ene chairman solo kasa se chairman. Boy ye nim se obene pa. A kire se yenim mo relationship. Ene on one kasa. On say we Kotoko mfimfun ayaya imagine se Salifu abeka Kwame Pokum ho na omo soma no chance no eto pete de mo a abeta mo Kwame Pokum wa anim ho a nse be boa pa playmaker amanfo ni and clearly the moment that story in a bar and you can see that a lot of people were interest our branch friend Salifu to Kotoko no amanfo hu say oba complement the Kotoko midfield but what I say but han ye kan say ne tie tinema quote to the extent say ne return ticket kura ma bo data kyerɛw and ma kyerɛw reasons into your bar stadium tinema ko starting feature man solo ho no onya picture ni ye so IMC news and number bonten so many Salifu meeting ne no and nem po abrante no woni kumas and a baby a mimi free ba me the story ne brɛ and tisa baby a ye be dane story no Salifu Ibrahim o kai time an Kotoko be ba Kotoko no time a e be clear se omba me am be catch us omba ti enyi ani I said it here. It was a time as still people were reporting that Salifu ebeba. So the deal is not there. There is no meeting, there is no offer, there is no negotiation. And boy any contract on mu wo Kosovo. Tim ye on contract ni mu wo Kosovo mpo. Na nka akoye se waba back to Ghana and ye be pre ne ho no. Senku atwam kura de a and our because oh boy and we're trying to contract Muntino. I acquired them. He is a key player at the Man Club. Actually, it's same be anyhow. Now, Maminye we mau quick. Still on Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria. Okoye he is playing. Born in the obo. Randy Ovoke bo Di Maria sobo. Nti same be anyhow. Oda no wada. Inti sanity. Yeah, can't send ye tea and sanity, young of a being count. Any emphabi meshimuso. Inti. So what is a Di Maria to Kotoko, Di Maria to Kotoka? Catch any panse say, Obed say, no crebi any, and Di Maria is not coming to Kotoko. And I mean, him say, meetings, he cost Justice Blay. Minim say meetings, he cost Mama men copy me numre because me ana de me meka amanfo ogidie wo se obed mu no story na enyan cooking wie a ye mbeka bi nti mama men copy me numre empema copy me numre nyame ya adom a anajo de na sunshine the body ho no akwa akuku bebi eseda ama enyo mu ayi pefe tenu me chiremu a na me chiremu with all angles around the story, all corners around the story. Now, Asante Kotoko-Details Medeama Martin. Asante Kotoko-Details Medeama. Yebesere fair officiating. Insuo ni ase wo fiti ase aburu nsuo na anyway ni ye kokko. Na baby ehi otonfo so no bo ho ye. Kotoko Medeama matches. It's been controversial, especially at Takwa. Eya say ye establish a Medeama tax penalty. We are there. Kotoko-Details Medeama boy a beje penalty ama Medeama. Kotoko-Details Medeama boy beje penalty ama Medeama. That thing is becoming too much. And eba be ye normal. I say yaja tum say oh no it's not. And yet Kotoko's next game is against Medeama. Oye Kotoko-Chi 10 year for anutum. Fair officiating. Because Medeama, anytime you have a Kotoko be kwa resource no, ebetimi akoye ye bra. ball ni ebe bon referee ni timi de pere ye de no kredie game no. Most of the time, most officiating in the trust, ye be wie no na story na sesa. At this point, so check Ghana Premier League na. Yes, Samate's last season to Miji League, you know. So any news there out Miji. Obenya Diana Stars or Majini at the end. The Samate's here and no been a Heart of Lions here. Home pan do be make sure so lose match. This is about 8 matches with you. Where we need 6 about draw 2. And one Samate's here. But you and I know says a Kotoko Jano. Now say Opobia on compete for the league title. And normally you talk about Medeama, you talk about how to folk. Because say league now. And I say nations kakra but omo kra won't mean trust you. Ti is a battle no mostly between Kotoko and Hearts. How to folk Kotoko leading 2 points and Medeama all 2 matches obebo. But we need 2 you know about 27. Same points as Asante Kotoko. Ti is a battle no. Yeah, proper cathedrals in the Ghana Premier League. Omiye used to winning the league title. A Medeama had to folk Kotoko. Omoma can't me police surprise. But yeah, now the real news. The real news is that Kotoko will be playing against Medeama, a game that can decide the Obeji League. So okay, last 2 seasons at Medeama Obeji League. The match on boy against Asante Kotoko. After the game, na Asante Kotoko company for Pamu coach Efeni Seydou Zeribu. Medeama Beshe Kotoko 2-0. That was the turning point for Medeama. And Danny Nyomama Medeama. If Kotoko can also keep their head high in winning this Ghana Premier League, the match against Medeama, fair officiating, a deciding factor. Dear Kotoko ni ebo se, ebe serempeni for se omoma no kredi enya adwuma. Na Kotoko match oni Medeama ebe bono. Yemfa referee timi di ball ni ye, ye be wie no. Nenye referee ne be subject of discussion. Not the fairness, the tactical play of both teams. Any eba be nya try analyze. Go star score takwa. Coach Frimpong Mansu di ni so bebere ne ba. Yem pese e bete sa asem ni bi. Ebra Asante Kotoko ekoho. Ebe share numre ni ewura stories ni. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.